How to fix muted video in the TikTok. So let's start. So firstly, by opening your TikTok application. Now from here, go into your profile and click on these three horizontal lines that is in the top right corner and go in the settings and the privacy. From here you have to switch your account to the business account. For that, go in the account center and from here click on the switch to business account. So I already switched my account to the business account, so I have the option to switch to the personal account, but you have to switch to your business account, and after that you have to go back, and from here you have to click on this plus icon to create a video and go in the upload. Now from here you have to select any of the video that you want to add, and you have to add the sound and click on this tick. Now you have to click on this arrow icon that is in the filters and click on the volume. Now here you have to increase the original sound and decrease the added sound and click on the done. So once you're done with it, you just have to click on the next, and here you have to post your video. So once you're done it, you have to go into your profile and update it, and as you can see that here is the video with the sound. So that's how you can fix the muted video in your TikTok, and you have to keep in mind that you read the terms and conditions that the TikTok gives you so you don't face any of the problems. So that's how you can fix this. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.